mind?
The Hivemind, it really is.
The collective.
The collective mind of the Hive.
Perfect. We are Legion.
Jesus. I really wish we were playing on Moonson. Oh my god,
Oh, they're here.
You even got probes.
Yep.
Okay, I want to get one. Okay. Oh my god, I'm already fully healed.
Exactly.
So
Nothing can be heard in my presence. Oh, would you look at the devil? Or speak at the devil.
Let me do one too.
Okay.
It's overpriced there.
There, but it's guaranteed.
It's guaranteed, yeah, but at the same time, I'm not saying ratio.
Stop.
Where's a lunar pod? You know what?
Oh, Mr. Drone?
I'm getting the Unga Boonga glass shard.
Oh, it's an equipment show. Alright.
Oh no.
Oh, this is... Oh my
Yeah.
god, I am so immensely
You know what
happy.
the funny thing about this still is?
What?
I started 2 days ago.
Yeah, you've already beaten the game like 9 times. No, you
Already
beat it 3
beaten
times.
Yeah, 3 times. Twice on Moonson. Actually, no, once on Moonson.
Here, tell me when you see drones. I want to see how many I can get by the end of the match. That's an equipment drone.
Okay, I want at least one drone.
No.
Just cause.
They're all mine.
Don't
They're all
be-
mine! I think I bought too many drones and I made the game angry. Game's just like, okay, we need to figure out how to fucking put this down. Okay, fine, I'll play your fucking game. I'll get 3 equipment drones.
I love the syringe.
It's so fucking... It's actually making me so happy just seeing the little fucking drone surrounding me.
Yeah, I can you know, wait, repair equipment drone. What does
Oh, it gives them your active item. Or your Q ability.
here?
And it carries it around. Oh, thank you. I was looking for another equipment drone.
I'm not giving him my equipment. Oh, hey, I'm gonna gamble. I got something to get.
I have too many drones. It's actually stuttering to keep it all on screen.
Okay. Oh god, I didn't even realize that this was my 8th crowbar.
8th?
Let's make it 10. I'm gonna get 10. Oh hey, another lunar pod.
Oh boy.
I don't know if I should get another sharpen.
What am I doing? I just have to stand still and I do damage.
I don't know if I should get another sharpened glass.
You will have, like, you will actually have no health.
I mean, the
Wait, look,
Toocan
come on.
carry is real.
Fair enough.
Got 287. I just did 2,000 damage. Okay, let's spawn the boss. Wait, how many shroom jacks? 16!
Oh. 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 No!
Jesus.
Jesus. Oh, you get the second one.
What the hell? They attacked me and not you. Why?
I will now stand here and win.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand over here and see if they're gonna attack me. This is... I just want to say, I look at your drones and all I see are hundreds of numbers. Green numbers.
Makes me a happy man.
Dude, I remember, like, yesterday, you were saying, like, oh my god, the achievement of getting 12 drones is so hard.
You don't have this much money. Like, I'm always broke in these games. Right?
And now you are... And
I
now,
am now a self-propelled demigod.
dude, my friend is richer than Elon Musk? What?
Fucking away. And gone sexual? Alright.
Liptart's destroyed.
I...
Also, you know what's funny?
What?
No. Okay, I want to say something though. My left click is now so overpowered. I forgot to even use my abilities. I'm basically playing like you, just that I actually have to press left click outside from selecting items.
I don't even have to press anything. I just wander it into an area and then nothing gets up.
The reason why every time I gamble and I get I always get something is because I won't get red things from big chests.
Oh.
Like, that's my theory. Game!
Theory, thanks for watching.
Hey, there we go. Now, what should I get?
I don't know.
You know what? I'll get Unstable Tesla Coil.
Why not?
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I know what I can get.
I'm not trying it out anymore. Yeah, I found one of the eggs. Holy shit!
What?
Fucking spawned in next to me, attacked me, and killed me. And then I turned around with the fattest 180, shot once, and 3 of them fucking fall dead. What the fuck just happened? They spawn next to me, I turn around to fight them, and they're dead!
You can fake white drones.
Oh!
Oh.
I found the last egg.
Alright. Alright. Now, you die! Bring him over to me.
This one's almost dead. This one is dead.
Ow.
Oh my god, that was so easy.
Ow!
3 red ones! I'm gonna get the fucking clover.
Perfect.
You want the red
Here.
one?
You can have it. I already have 5 red items. I don't need any more.
You know what? I think I have to. Actually, which one? Should I get another clover or the beggar's bazooka?
I don't actually know. That's another gun drone, and there's a drone up here.
I'm gonna eat the clover.
I need 1,200 coins. Okay, we're almost done here. I've almost harvested every drone.
You're actually lagging the game.
Perfect.
Okay, Toocan.
That's 3 radar scanners, by the way. 3 radar scanners.
Toocan.
Uh-huh.
15 syringes.
Perfect. Okay. Well, I'm not even... Whoa.
It's them again!
The horde.
Holy shit!
Oh, it's over.
I fucking charge. I can shoot so fast I have to use my auto clicker. Like, look at this, look at this.
Yeah, we're going to annihilate the boss.
Yeah, and another thing, you know how long it takes up to charge it up fully, right?
No?
This is how fast it takes. I'm gonna fully charge and then shoot it.
So many drones around me.
Oh my god, we still can't leave.
Thinking of doing whatever the fuck, or getting swarms, but I kind of want to end this run.
It's
I'm
too
like a
powerful.
Exactly. It's like we're just curb stomping everything from here.
Oh my god! Will-o'-the-Wisp did fucking 3,000. Oh, I can double jump 6 times. What the fuck even is happening? They're spawning with me, and they just die instantly. I'm not even doing anything.
Drones. Like, flat out, it's just because of the drones.
There are no drones nearby! I'm under the map.
I don't know then.
Oh wait, unstable Tesla coil.
That's actually probably no. That is the reason. No, I just got bounced from the void.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Fine, you're fine. You're fine.
Unstable Tesla coil. Thank you.
There you go. Think of a
I
positive
had to
mindset.
fucking dodge an unstable Tesla coil. Was like, don't you worry.
Got you, Ichi.
I got you, my.
Whoa, buddy. Cool. The anti-Semitic.
Holy shit! So many parents just spawned next to me. They all dropped dead. Unstable Tesla coil is actually fucking amazing.
There's nothing coming near me.
Nothing is spawning, that's fine. They just don't want to anymore.
Yeah, I don't blame them, but like I'm bored here. Wanna fight shit.
Ooh, gambling. I hate it.
What is statement? Ooh, gambling.
Quote that.
So peculiar.
Destroy 20 flying rocks. Oh!
yeah.
I was like, what the fuck keeps spawning? No, it's the fucking flying rocks and my Tesla coil attacking it.
Oh.
We'll
Like how many
find out.
fucking items I have? Or how many shroom jacks?
Also, I hate how we only
Kinda.
refer to it as Shroom Jack.
I refer to it as shroom jacks. Because I'm severely dumb.
No, we all do.
How big is the... Oh my
Kill
god.
15 at the same time? I didn't even shoot!
Really, is ready?
Yes. Oh. Oh no. No, 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 no. I was in the middle of all of them.
It's gone, dude. It's fucking gone. Not that fast. I don't need to be.
I feel bad for Mithrix.
I am power. Oh my god, look at the conga line behind me. Chimera is more like gay mirrors. Let's fucking...
Chimera, more like, look at this. 3 shots! I 3 shots!
Fuck, dude.
Hold on, there's a perfect Chimera. Yeah. He's not there anymore. Perfect Chimera, more like dumbass. Got him.
It's so fucking retarded. What they're doing, fine.
Toocan!
Here, come on.
I'm gonna get to him before you even get close to him.
Here, bring him near me. Oh! The healing! The drones are here!
That's a good screenshot. Oh, there's 2?
Yeah, one's...
Never mind,
me.
there's 1.
No, there's 2. Bring them over to me. Oh, there's
Yeah, I mean by how much damage we're doing, there's 1. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I gotta kill Mithrix with the beacon for the...
Here, just bring him over to me so I can just gun him down.
I already killed him. Just look at this, I'm gonna... Activate Ooga Booga. Oh god, I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Wait, firing.
Toocan?
Yeah?
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, if you hit him hard enough, he just doesn't have a third stage.
Jamming.
Alright, victory.
This was without a doubt one of the easiest wins I've ever
Hello,
gotten.
Feather. You missed the god run.
You've missed the god run.
We killed Mithrix in 58 seconds.
We killed him so fast he didn't even have a fucking last phase.
58 seconds.
Yep.
I wanna call bullshit, but that just sounds like.
You call bullshit. Guess what? I was recording the
Oh
intro.
god.
You skip.
Sorry, I forgot to.
Oh, you'll like just in a kid.
Just ended it.
We're
Went
in the
straight to
credits.
Mithrix. And just fucking curb stopped the cunt.